Track 2.36. Unit 8. Reading. Exercise 1.
City in the sky. Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates, is different from other cities. It is a city of glass skyscrapers in the desert. One of these is enormous. It's the incredible Burj Khalifa skyscraper. It is 828 meters high and has got more than 160 floors. You can see it from about 100 kilometers away. The temperature in the desert is sometimes 50 degrees centigrade, but it's cool inside this modern building. This amazing skyscraper is large enough for 25,000 people. It has got a luxury hotel, offices, restaurants, fantastic swimming pools, libraries, a gym, and 900 expensive flats. From the visitor area on the 124th floor, the cars in the streets below are tiny. The tower has got 57 very fast lifts. But there are also lots of stairs if you've got lots of energy. The Burj Khalifa neighborhood is also a good place to live. There are parks and a large lake near the skyscraper. In addition, there's a big shopping centre next to it, so you have everything you need nearby.